Hi there, welcome back to my channel Get Crafted Tutorials. I am back with a new tutorial and it is how to create some custom chips bags. These are great for birthdays, occasions, so let's go through the tools and materials. The tutorial today will show you and explain you how to make a cute little chips bag like this one for occasions and birthdays. I'll show you exactly where you can find these templates as well. And the tools you'll be needing is some photo paper. A glossy one is preferred, that gets that glossy effect, and you'll print on the glossy side. Then we have this glue roller, so you'll need it to go ahead and glue the sides for the chips bag. And then for the final touch, we have this tool right here. I'm going to put it in bio as well. That creates that chips bag effect on the sides, as you can see on the bag. Now, what you can do optional as well is use these kind of scissors. I'm going to link them in bio, but I'm not using this one because I do not think they're so exceptional. But you can just go ahead and use it and it will create that kind of edge around the chips bag, what I love as well, but not for this tutorial. Moving on to Canva for our template, let's go. As you can see, I use Canva almost for everything. It's such an easy program to use, and I've set up this design as well. So this one, I can put it available in Etsy, but I'm just sharing already the sizes. So the size for the sheet itself is a worksheet landscape that I'm using, and then I'm going to share a template below with where you can find and put all of the correct elements onto the sheets, okay? So then to export this graphic, we will need to click on share because we're going to download the image to our PC. So I'm going to click on share over here, and then we're going to click on download next. You'll see that the file type is PNG suggested because the quality is much better that way. And we'll download the image to our PC. Once the image has been downloaded, you can see that the file will pop up, and then we're just going to go ahead and click on that one. Okay, so this is the image, perfect. And then click on print. And we can see our print settings popping up. Now I'm just going to go ahead and choose my printer. The printer that I'm using is this one for my graphics. Then the paper size, we'll keep it on an A4, but I want it to be borderless. This way we avoid the white lines. I'm still going to click on fill entire paper because I do have those white lines still. Now it's a picture, so I need to go to media and quality. Now why? Because I'm going to set the media type to photo and then quality to best. This way we have an optimized photo that comes out of our printer. I'll just go ahead and let my printer do its work, and then I'll see you for the next step. All said and done, we have our paper over here. So what we're going to do now, I'm just going to take out my tools again. We're going to go ahead and use this one for our crimping, and then we're going to glue the side. So I'm just basically using a cheap chips bag, doesn't matter which size, if it's a small one because it's a tutorial. So I'm just going to take my glue, and then what we're going to do is we're going to glue the sides on the back side of my picture. So I'm going to show you which sides these are, but as you can see, we have the middle of our image and we have the both sides. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to glue the side with the thank you for coming because you're going to paste it on it. And you have to be really careful to go really through the edges because you do not want it to stick. And you have to be careful, you guys. Take your time because when you stick it nicely, well, your picture can be damaged, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and do this already. So again, you're going to glue the sides real close to the edges. So it's really easy with this tape. You're just going to go ahead and roll it. Then you're going to check the side that you're doing the correct side because you do not want glue on the wrong side. Again, just glue it. Okay, I think my roller is coming to its end because it's really sticking. And then the last one, yeah, I think it's going to finish. So, okay. There you go. So we have all of the corners all glued up. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take the bag and we'll put it nice in the middle, okay? Then you'll take the side where you have your, and you'll put it right in the middle of the chips bag. So all of the chips bag have that lining. And you're going to go ahead and be careful to not put it wrongly on the image and make sure that everything. And then you'll just go ahead and press on the paper until it's nice glued on it. So as you can see, it's perfect like this. Okay, so we have both of our sides and it's right nicely in the middle. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and take the side below and you're just going to press nice and gentle. Why is this important that you take your time? Is because it's photo paper, you guys. So you can damage the paper. It can have some edges in it. As you can see, I already have some air. So you really have to be careful that you do not damage your photo itself. Okay, so no glue on it. Be careful that you have no glue on your hands. Again, over here, the top is a bit tricky. So what I like to do is I like to put already one side and I put my finger over here to just keep that force and keep that weight on this side, because otherwise, again, it will make your paper a bit troubling. Okay, so perfect. Perfect. As you can see, we've done that. We've glued. This is the most difficult part, and especially in the beginning, you basically have to do it sometimes and then you'll get the hang of it. Now what we want to do is we want to create that chips effect, like I said. So I'm going to be using the tool that I've been showing off since earlier on. Again, it's linked in bio. You're going to take that side and you just put it in. Just put it in and then you're going to turn on this button and you can then, once it's in, you can hold it. You're going to turn until, really give it a go. And then you'll pull it back. And then when you put the chips back out, you can see that we have all of these edges just like a chips bag sealing would have. So again, for the other side, there you go. We have it. It's all said and done, you guys. Let's check the final results. There you go, you guys. This is our final result. Isn't it cute? It does add that extra touch when you have some birthdays coming up or anniversaries. And you can find a bunch of templates on Etsy, you guys. But I did provide you with a blank with the measurements for Canva, free, and it's below in my bio. So do tell me, what did you think of the tutorials? Comment below in the comment sections. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching Get Crafty Tutorials.